Sa video natin today, i-discuss natin kung paano iset up yung Bluehost e-commerce store mo, step by step, para sa mga complete beginners. What's up guys? I'm Ashley, at kung never ka pang gumawa ng website before or gusto mo talaga yung pinakasimpleng way para maging online yung store mo, this tutorial is gonna guide you through every part of the setup. Gawin nating super easy at simple lang ang lahat, walang tech jargon, walang complicated na settings, puro malinaw na steps lang. So you can go from a blank page to a live online store very quickly. So let's get into it. Bago tayo sumabak sa actual workthrough, I just wanted to touch on what Bluehost actually is. So Bluehost is one of the most beginner-friendly hosting platforms out there. Actually, officially recommended siya ng WordPress at talagang designed para maging sobrang dali ng pag-setup ng website. When you use Bluehost for e-commerce, parang tatlong bagay na agad yung nakukuha mo sa isa. May domain name, which is yung website address mo, may website hosting, kung saan naka-live yung site mo, and then WordPress plus WooCommerce pre-installed, so it's the software that powers your online store. So instead of having to piece everything together yourself, si Bluehost na ang gumagawa ng karamihan ng work para sa'yo. Now, why Bluehost for e-commerce specifically? Perfect talaga ang Bluehost para sa beginners kasi ginagabayan ka niya sa bawat step automatically. You don't need to know how to code or install anything manually. Makakakuha ka rin ng free domain for the first year, SSL security, yung maliit na lock icon na nakikita mo sa browser, and then automatic WordPress update so you don't have to worry about the tech side of things. Affordable siya, reliable, at sobrang compatible talaga with WooCommerce na isa sa mga pinaka-popular na e-commerce plugin sa buong mundo. So, ayun, pasukin na natin yung step-by-step tutorial. Ang una mong gagawin kung wala ka pang Bluehost account is gamitin yung exclusive link namin para makapagsimula. Pag-usapan natin yung pricing later, pero ngayon piliin muna natin yung plan na pinaka-fit sa needs mo. Then once naka-login na tayo, ganito yung itsura niya. Meron tayong home, meron tayong website, email, domains, hosting, billing, and security. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, diretso na tayo sa websites. Mag-add tayo ng website, i-click lang natin yung install WordPress. Mas pinadali nito yung process kumpara sa pag-start from scratch, kaya i-click natin yung continue. Ito yung Aura Athletics. Gagawa tayo ng aesthetic brand. So for now, gamit muna tayo ng temporary domain, pero kung gusto mo nang mag-enter ng sariling domain, pwede mo rin naman gawin yun kung meron ka na. So, itong ilang SEO tools na pwede mong i-activate. Pero sa ngayon, skip muna natin to. Ang talagang cool sa Bluehost at WordPress ay ang dami lang themes and templates na pwede mong pagpilian as a starting point. Kaya sobrang madali na lang gumawa ng website. Kapag hindi ka na nagsisimula from scratch, lalo na kung business owner ka or e-commerce owner, alam mo yun, sabay-sabay mong ginagawa lahat. So, sobrang powerful talaga na makapasok ka, see a template that we like, and then customize from there. Cool. Okay, online store Aura Athletics. So mag-a-add tayo ng description. You can add a logo. Now it's going to build our website. Okay, so now we're gonna do is go ahead and pick the design that we want to start with. So based sa mga sinabi natin, parang naka-customize na siya agad konti. Pero ngayon, pwede pa tayong pumili ng mas marami. So pwede nating i-preview tong isa. Amazing. I love it. Cool. Ngayon, pwede na nating piliin at i-customize. So, dito na tayo pwedeng pumasok at i-edit kung gaano man natin gusto. Ngayon, nasa WordPress dashboard na talaga tayo. So, now what's cool about Bluehost is we already have WooCommerce installed. It's already automatic. So, gagawin na lang natin ngayon is punta tayo sa WooCommerce sa dashboard. Cool. And now we've got our website up and running. Na-confirm na natin that we have WooCommerce. Ang gagawin natin next is to go ahead and add our first products. Okay. So, we're gonna go ahead and scroll down to Store Management in the home section of WooCommerce. Dito tayo mismo mag-a-add ng product. Pwede ka mag-add ng new product, tapos ilalagay mo yung product description. Meron na tayong Yoast SEO, isa pang plugin na naka-install na agad para sure na maayos at good to go yung SEO mo. Dito yung product description, tapos dito sa side meron tayong page insights. Pwede mo siyang i-preview, save as draft, or diretsong i-publish from dito mismo. Gusto mo rin mag-add ng product images, product gallery, and iba pa. Tapos meron din tayong tags and categories. Gusto mo talagang maging as organized as possible, so dito pwede mo na siyang i-customize, di ba? Meron tayong brands, categories, tags, attributes, pati reviews. Dito mo siya pwedeng i-add mismo, and pwede ka rin mag-upload ng brand image para lumabas siya sa brand widgets, etc. Ilalagay mo yung name, slug, parent brand, tapos yung description. Meron ding categories. So, dito pwedeng baguhin ang order ng mga categories sa front end. I-drag and drop mo lang sila para maayos ang pagkakasort. So, halimbawa, alam mo yon, tops, bottoms, shoes, kung ano man yan, you can create categories. There's also tags, right? So, again, this is just to keep everything completely organized. Ang next naman ang gagawin mo is mag-setup ng payments. So if you navigate down right here to payments, gusto mong i-accept yung payments gamit ang WooCommerce sa pamamagitan ng pag-install nito dito mismo. Tapos pwede ka nang pumili ng payment methods, i-connect siya with WordPress, activate yung payments, at pagtapos i-submit yung verification. Very simple lang siya. Ginagabayan ka talaga nila sa lahat, tapos ang next mag-setup na tayo ng shipping. So again, in this settings portion, we'll go ahead and come to shipping. Ang gagawin mo dito ay mag-a-add ng shipping zone. Maglalagay ka ng zone name kung gusto mo ba siya by state or by country or kung ano man ang kailangan mo. Ikaw na pipili ng zone name na gusto mong gamitin. Tapos lalagay mo kung saan sakop yung zone na yon at pwede ka nang maglagay ng actual na shipping amount. Then syempre, after mong magawa lahat ng yon, na-add na lahat ng products mo. Na-setup mo na yung payments, nakasetup na lahat. Then you can come in here and do the fun part, which is yung pag-customize ng site mo. Ginagawang sobrang dali ng WordPress yung customization. So you can add blocks, you can add patterns, and you can add media. Pwede mong i-drag and drop lahat ng elements. Again, ginagawa nilang sobrang dali na pumasok dito at i-edit lahat. Lahat ng products mo, dito na sila lalabas at madidisplay. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng maliit na widgets para makapag-navigate sa iba't ibang pages. Punta ka lang dito sa pages sa WordPress dashboard at mula doon pwede mo nang i-edit lahat to. So kung gusto mo, halimbawa, i-view yung cart page, pwede kang pumunta dito mismo at tignan siya. So ayun, empty na yung cart mo, full. Pwede ka rin pumasok dito at i-view yung contact page, diba? Pwede mo rin i-edit. So, papasok ka lang dito, i-click yung edit, bubuksan na nila yung editing site, pati na rin yung privacy policy, etc. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng pages dito mismo. I would recommend duplicating pages that you already like the format of kasi mas mapapadali talaga yung paggawa. Kaysa mag-start from scratch, alam ko na pwedeng medyo overwhelming siya sa dashboard kasi ang daming iba't ibang options na makikita mo dito. Pero talagang nire-recommend ko is mag-focus ka muna sa pages mo, which is yung actual layout ng site mo, tapos punta ka sa WooCommerce. And make sure, adding all of your products and shipping and payments, etc. Honestly, pwede mo talagang i-ignore a lot of these settings right here to keep it really simple. Focus on your pages, focus on your WooCommerce. And then lastly, syempre, i-test mo muna yung site mo bago mo i-announce yung store mo. Mag-test order ka muna, mag-add ng product sa cart, dumaan sa checkout, at siguraduhin na gumagana ng maayos ang lahat. Nagbibigay din ng host ng free SSL certificate, kaya yung payment at checkout pages mo ay mag-show bilang secure. Hanapin mo lang yung lock icon sa tabi ng domain mo sa browser, and then of course, all you have to do is launch the store. Pag masaya ka na sa lahat, i-click mo yung publish button, and then good to go ka na. Officially live na yung store mo. Now, let's talk about some bonus tips for beginners. Ito yung ilang bagay na pwede mong gawin right after mag-launch para mas gumanda yung store mo. Number 1, magdagdag ka ng logo at favicon. Yung mga maliliit na details na to, sobrang nakakatulong para magmukhang polished at professional yung store mo. Magagawa mo to sa customized menu. Number 2, maglagay ka ng short at malinaw na product descriptions. Mag-focus ka sa benefits, hindi lang sa features. Sabihin mo kung ano yung nagpapasulit at worth bilhin sa product mo. Number 3, gumamit ka ng high quality na photos. Yung natural lighting at neutral na backgrounds make the products look more professional and trustworthy. Number 4 ay mag-set up ng about page. People really like to know kung kanino sila bumibili. A simple story about your brand really builds that connection and trust. Number 5, gumawa ka ng contact page na may form. Mas magmumukha legit yung site mo at nagbibigay din to ng paraan para makakontak ka ng customers. Number 6, i-connect mo yung Google Analytics or yung built-in analytics ng Bluehost. Makakatulong to para matrack mo yung mga visitors at sales mo over time. Number 7, huwag mong kalimutan yung SEO basics. Gumamit ka ng short URLs at descriptive na titles. Magsulat ng meta descriptions para sa bawat page. It's really gonna help Google find you faster. Ngayon, naintindihan mo na kung paano talaga i-set up at paanda rin ang store mo. Pag-usapan naman natin ang ilang pros and cons ng Bluehost para sa e-commerce para sure ka kung tama ba talaga siya para sa'yo. Ang pinaka-best na part sa Bluehost is ginagawang sobrang dali yung pag-setup ng e-commerce. You don't need to worry about hosting o mga complicated na tech stuff. It's all built into one guided process. Isa rin siya sa pinaka-affordable na paraan para mag-launch ng online store habang may full WordPress flexibility ka pa rin. The only real downside is that you'll be managing WordPress and WooCommerce yourself. That gives you more control. Pero ibig sabihin nun, kailangan mo rin mag-handle ng updates and plugins paminsan-minsan. Kung gusto mo ng total customization pero may easy na starting point, Bluehost is really such a great middle ground. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ng iba't ibang plans and pricing options. So kung gagamitin mo yung link namin sa baba, pwede ka makatipid ng hanggang 75% sa advanced plans at 62% naman sa standard plans. So, kapag naklik mo yung link na yon, automatic na maa-apply yung discount. So, para sa standard plans, meron silang starter, business, at e-commerce essentials. Yung starter plan ay $3.79 lang per month. Kasama na dito yung website and hosting, basic security, may marketing tools ka na rin, and advanced options like static content caching, WordPress staging site, etc. Tapos, meron silang business plan kung saan makakasave ka ng 51% kaya magiging $6.79 per month na lang siya. Dito, mas marami kang website, mas malaking storage, more visitors per month, and you even get free domain privacy for the first year. Tapos, kasama na rin yung advanced features. Then, meron din silang e-commerce essentials, which you can save 33%, which brings it to $14.79 per month. With this, you get 100 websites and 100 gigabytes of storage. Syempre, kasama pa rin lahat ng nasa business plan, pero may specific e-commerce tools ka na rin tulad ng secure payment processing, automatic na pag-install ng WooCommerce products, subscriptions, at marami pang iba. Meron din silang mga advanced plans. Andyan yung WordPress Cloud, yung VPS hosting, at pati dedicated hosting. So, kung gusto mong i-check yung mga yan ng mas detailed at makakapag-save ka ng 75%, use our link down below and the discount will automatically be applied. Isang bagay lang na gusto kong i-mention para sa mga standard plans na to, meron talaga silang 30-day money-back guarantee, may free domain for the first year, at may free site migration tool din. So, gusto ko lang din na aware ka in case na nag-aalala ka, baka hindi mo siya nagustuhan ng sobra. Pwede mo naman siyang i-try for 30 days and kung hindi mo gusto, makakakuha ka ng refund. So, dapat mo ba talagang gamitin ang Bluehost para sa store mo? If you're just getting started and want the simplest and pinaka-affordable na paraan para mag-launch ng totoong online store, sobrang solid na choice talaga ng Bluehost. It handles the hardest parts of you, mula setup hanggang security, so you can just focus on creating products and making sales. Perfect din siya kung plano mo mag-grow with WordPress later on kasi lahat ng binibuild mo sa Bluehost ay 100% compatible sa mas malawak na WordPress ecosystem. As a side note, I know starting an e-commerce store can feel like a big step, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Once you follow these steps, you'll realize how doable it really is and how quickly you can start building your brand online. Binibigyan ka ng Bluehost ng solid na foundation na kailangan mo, isang secure na site, a store that works, at mga tools na kayang sumabay habang lumalaki ang business mo. Kung gusto mo na magsimula sa Bluehost and make sure you're getting the best price possible, i-click mo yung exclusive link namin down below. Gusto ko lang din bagitin na affiliate links to, which means we may earn a small commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. So, if you choose to use our links, thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to create free content and tutorials tulad nito. Yung channel na to ay dedicated sa pagtulong sa'yo na palaguin ang e-commerce mo ng mas smart, mabilis, with easy to follow tutorials. Don't forget to like this video, mag-subscribe sa channel, and mag-iwan ng comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.